Alright, in this video we're going to unbox this little tiny impact driver, and I'm going to show you how is this product. So as you can see here, we have the 3 modes or 4 modes here. As you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it depends. You push this 1, 2, 3, and that is the auto. The auto will be between 2 RPMs and 600, and then we have the low 800 RPMs, and then the middle one, the number 2, 100 RPMs, and then we have the third one is 800 RPMs. So we have 200 feet of torque. It says the max, and max breakaway torque 225. So we have the base is 3/8, 18 volts. So that is very important, because when you have a socket set like this, I like the Milwaukee better, but you know, this is the tiniest one, at least for this type of video. And then you can remove it from here. There we go. And then you can just put it here. And there you go. So you have the switch, so that way you can spin it towards one way or towards the other way. And like I said before, you have the A, and as you can see here, you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, and automatic. So as you can see, this is refurbished, because it has the refurbished. Also the box is all brown. And if you need the tools like this, I am in US, so if you want me to send it to you, just let me know. Here it comes with the belt clip, so you can remove it from one end, put it in the other end, whatever works best for you. And here you have the battery. So I have a lot of tools Ridgid, and for now they work great. The main reason why you want to get this one is because it's so tiny. If you compare it, let's say I have another impact driver, as you can see, is like almost 30% less. Also, with this, when you are using a lot of force, let's say you're removing bolts or anything like that, and you are using this type of adapter for these type of things, if you see that it's very tough, you're going to break this. So it's better avoiding doing those type of things. If you use this directly, just grab this or use the extension if you need it to be longer. But you're not going to have this issue, because with this, it happened to me a few times that it breaks like this here. You know, you end up with half of this, with the risk of getting damage inside, and then you cannot remove it later. So that is why I bought this, just to keep it handy for these type of things, and so that way I don't have to worry about breaking things and, you know, damaging extensions. Usually when I use these type of extensions, for instance, you know, that part that I just show you gets stuck inside, and then you cannot get it out, and then you have to buy the whole thing new. So it's a pain in the butt. So hopefully this small video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and talk to you next time.